Hello, we are here to handle what I'm going to call GCF, or Greatest Common Factor Part 2. And in particular, this is how you would handle those problems that have parentheses. So let's look at an example problem. 4x minus 1 plus 8x, x minus 1, plus 3x minus 3 times x minus 1. So we're doing greatest common factor here. Again, which means let's find what all of the terms have in common and pull it out. Now to do that, I really have to understand how many terms does this question have. Well, terms are separated by plus and minus signs. So for this particular problem, this would be one term, this would be the second term, and this would be the third term. So I have to ask myself, what do all three of these terms have in common with each other? Well, I can easily see that all of the terms have x minus 1. So that is going to be my GCF. That is what all of the terms have in common. So I'm going to pull that out and put that in the front. Now, in other problems where we've done GCF, what we do is we take each original term and divide by whatever we are pulling out. Well, in this case, if I'm going to pull out the x minus 1, if that is my GCF, what I need to do is take each term and divide out the x minus 1, which would be like taking out the x minus 1 from each term. Then what is left over is going to go in my other set of parentheses. So the 4, the plus 8x, and the plus 3x minus 3. So again, I put x minus 1 in the front because that's what each term had in common. And then I put everything that was left over in the parentheses in the back. Now, all I need to do from here is see if I can simplify a little bit. The x minus 1 cannot be simplified because they are not like terms. But in my second set of parentheses, I can simplify some like terms. First, I'm going to put the 8x and the 3x together to get 11x. And then I'm going to put the 4 and the negative 3 together to get positive 1. This would be my final factored answer. Here are 3 practice problems, all exactly similar to the example problem. Please pause the video and try these 3 problems on a piece of paper, then restart the video to check your answers.